So here we'll look at how to set preferences for recording in the correct way in Audacity. And we're going to load Audacity, and notice here on the website are the lists of the preferences and how they need to be set up. So we're going to follow this list pretty closely, and we'll start with number 1. First, we'll start Audacity and say OK. And here, the first thing we'll do is make sure the mic is plugged in, and that is assumed always to be true. Open the preferences. Now, preferences in Windows are here. We'll do a Mac video as well. And under Devices, 1, under Recording, select your mic. So you have to make sure that the correct mic is installed. This doesn't happen automatically. Number 2, select under Channels, Mono. Okay. Then under Quality, which is number 4 here, check that the default sample rate is 41,100, and it is. Change the default sample format to 16-bit and press OK. Then the export setup. And so here under File, Export, now there's nothing in there, and so we need to put some small recording in there. So I'm going to record just briefly a few seconds of audio, say OK. Now if I go to File, I can export. And here, notice it'll say MP3, and we're going to give it a name. Test 1, 2, 3. I already have a file, test 1, 2 here that I did before. In the file type, save as MP3, so make sure this is selected. Notice the different types. But don't save yet, so we're not going to press the save button yet, which is right here. We're going to go to Options, and in the Options dialog, we're going to get Save as type. Here is the settings options. So we want to make sure constant is selected, 128 kilobytes is selected, and joint stereo is selected, and then say OK. And then we can save. We don't need to fill out tags, and we'll say OK. And now the file is saved in MP3 format. I'm going to exit here and change. Now here, you can't go wrong by saying yes. This is saving the project as an Audacity project file. You've already exported as MP3, and say OK, and then say this is test 1, 2, 3, and save. So you can't go wrong by saving it as an Audacity project file. And here are those two files. The Audacity project file is this one, test 1, 2, 3 AUP, and then the data for that file is in the data folder, whereas here we only have an MP3 file. So that's how to set up preferences in Audacity.